A delegation of the Hynniewtrep Youth Council (HYC) had met Meghalaya Education Minister Rakkam A Sangma on the 8th of August 2023 to discuss on the various challenges faced by the student community in the state and other issues pertaining to the education sector. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, the president of the HYC, Robert June Kharjarin, informed that the discussion with the Education Minister ended on a positive note wherein he had decided on a meeting with the cabinet to discuss on setting up of a regional campus of the Captain Williamson Sangma University in Shillong. Also, Kharjarin informed that the delegation of the HYC had discussed on the increase in the fee structure of school, college and university students, which has impacted a great deal on the income of the parents. At the same time, the organization had requested for a CUET center in the state to ease the problems of students who have to travel outside of Meghalaya to appear for the same exam.
Nakaling kaseng nila ay ka jingtho mata kasi kalongba bandon no ya ka State University sa kaway hapo ano ba Shillong ya kan ni kam nakaling jong menteri jong katanat politik ula ong yang ni ba kan ni kam kadang don ha ka level bo ni keren bat chief minister bat kumjuru bat ke cabinet nomor ba uang bah kalian gajing yo i jong uru kum ubru sibet ka idon kam don sa kaway ka university ka benta ka baar ka ba mangingi la dawa na kaliang jong education minister kalongba kuma pitip ka Meghalaya menta kala don ya ka wei ka university ka ba khot ka Captain Williamson Sangma University hang te yopo nong ba tura tangba hadu menta ka ni ka university ka khlampat trikam ila dawa na kaliang jong education minister ban pentrikam no wood ya ka university makan niat na sakmat bat haka juga pon gila dawa bahaba pentrikam kadi bendon ka kampus apa kasih jenti hill region no beli kan pensuk kumbolong ya kembus kumbo PUI ba ka embus ka headquarter ka dan turah dari ka regional office ka dan Shillong di kumjuru ngingi kwa ya kan ka university juga jela ba ka off campus lani ka way na ki branch lani ka campus ka jungka lani ka office ka di bendon hapo no ba Shillong tina kaliang jong education minister ulah keren sayang ni ba ya kan ni ke kampun sale kemud ka Captain Williamson Sangma University Shillong campus kan don but ulah ya thu ru yang ni ba ka next academic session kemud la har hajar ar session kan ni ke university kan sa sedang berrekam